lên nhiều rồi không qua rồi quay to ra the train now lên chi là lo mà
to get a better view of something, to take a picture of someone. If it requires you to stand up and move while the train is moving, you may not do it. Second, for the safety of yourself and your personal belongings, please keep all body parts and belongings inside the train car at all times. Please note that this train cannot and will not stop for any items that may be dropped from the train. So if you're trying to take a nice picture with your phone and it goes flying out of one of our train cars, unfortunately we will not be stopping for you to pick it up. The third rule is that smoking in any form, including vaping and the use of e-cigarettes, is strictly prohibited while on our train. So, just to recap, those three rules are: stay seated at all times, keep your body parts and belongings inside the train cars at all times, and no smoking. Keep those in mind as you make your way around the gates of the mountain. And now, since we're just starting out, we might as well begin the show for basically the entire summer, every single day, multiple times a day. So, give them a wave, show them your appreciation. Highest point on the top of the mountain will be 1,683 feet above sea level. Still mountain is made up of 20 billion cubic feet of granite, which is approximately 550 Empire State Buildings worth. Now, that is quite a lot of stone. Do many of y'all take it for granted?
hôm qua đôi nữa đột train xa lệ rồi xa lệ lớp bó cổ mà we are ba lớp không qua đâu.
Hello everyone and welcome aboard the Rockline Railroad. My name is Ayo and I will be the conductor for this train ride. I am sitting all the way here in the back of the last train car. Now before we get started, I have to go over the safety rules. Everyone please listen up. Rule number 1. Please remain seated while the train is in motion. This means no standing, dancing, walking, moving, or switching seats. Rule number 2. Please keep all arms, heads, hands, and feet inside the train car at all times. This also includes your personal items. If you value your personal items, please keep them inside the train car. Please know that we will not stop for anything dropped from the train car. Finally, rule number 2, for the health, comfort, and safety of everyone aboard, smoking in the form is not allowed. As if folks stay seated, stay inside, and no smoking.
Say hi.